How to watch movies on YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that your YouTube application is updated to its latest version on your device so that you avoid any sort of glitches while using the application. So just go to the Play Store application and search for YouTube application. So now as you can see, the app of YouTube has an update available for me in our device. So I'm going to tap on update and it will update. And now after updating, all you have to do is open up the YouTube application and then tap on the use section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then just scroll down and you can see the option of your movies over here. Now tap on that. Now as you can see, I don't have any purchases over here. So to movies and shows that I rent or buy will only appear here. Now to buy or rent, we need to have a premium version of the YouTube application. Now I don't have any premium subscription, so I don't have any purchases as well. But if you have a YouTube premium, then you can have two sections over here, browse and purchase. You just need to go to the browse section and you'll be able to see different dramas, your movies, series and so on, and you can buy or rent as per your convenience. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.